misinformation campaigns. These visualizations provide a portrait of our connected world that goes beyond the physical infrastructure of the network. They show the social, cultural, and economic aspects of the internet and how they are intertwined with the technology. They also raise important questions about privacy, security, and ethics, as the information that flows through the network can have far-reaching consequences. As technology advances and more users join the internet, the challenges of visualizing the network continue to grow. The internet is constantly evolving, and new devices, protocols, and applications are being developed all the time. To keep up with these changes, researchers and visualizers need to collaborate and share data and tools. Some promising areas of research include machine learning, data mining, and artificial intelligence. These fields can help to automate the process of visualizing the network and provide new insights into its behavior. For example, machine learning algorithms can be used to detect patterns in the network traffic and classify it into different types of applications or protocols. Another challenge is the ethical and legal implications of visualizing the internet. The information that flows through the network is often sensitive and private, and it is essential to protect the rights of users and organizations. Data anonymization, encryption, and access control are some of the measures that can be used to address these issues. In summary, visualizing the internet is a critical task that can help us to understand the network's architecture, behavior, and content. It requires a multidisciplinary approach that combines compute, earth science, network engineering, data visualization, and other fields. By using different visualization techniques, we can gain insights into the network's physical and social aspects and explore the challenges and opportunities that come with global connectivity. As we continue to rely on the internet for more aspects of our daily lives, visualizing the network will become an increasingly important task. It is worth noting that visualizing the internet is not only a task for technology experts and researchers but also for policymakers and the public. Net neutrality refers to the principle that all internet traffic should be treated equally, without discrimination by internet service providers, ISPs. Visualizations of the network can show how traffic is managed and prioritized by ISPs and shed light on potential violations of net neutrality. Online privacy is another critical issue that is closely related to the flow of information on the internet. Visualizations of content flow and user behavior can help to identify problematic content and provide insights into how it spreads through the network. It is also worth noting that the COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the importance of the internet for work, education, and socialization. The pandemic has forced many people to rely on the internet for remote work, online learning, and virtual socializing. This has led to an increased demand for high-speed internet access and reliable network infrastructure. Visualizations of the internet can provide insights into how the pandemic has affected the network's behavior and traffic. For example, they can show how the demand for video conferencing and streaming services has increased and how the network has responded to these changes. They can also reveal the disparities in internet access and quality across different regions, which has become a major issue during the pandemic. Moreover, the pandemic has highlighted the need for a more resilient and secure internet. Cyberattacks and misinformation campaigns have increased during the pandemic, posing a threat to public health and safety. Visualizations of the network can help to identify these threats and provide insights into how to mitigate them. Finally, visualizing the internet can also be used for cultural and artistic purposes. Many artists and designers have used the network as a medium for their work, creating interactive installations, digital art, and visualizations of the network itself. These works can provide a unique perspective on the Internet and its impact on society and culture. Thanks for watching.